guys, today we are be making our hurricane. So all you need is a spoon, a bowl of water, and blue food coloring. So we are going to be making our hurricane. So what you have to do is you have to stir the water up first, and then put the food coloring, drop it right in the middle, and then, so let's stir it. So you gotta drop the food coloring right in the middle once we're done stirring. Okay, that looks like enough. And then watch this. Look at that. Whoa, guys. Is that amazing? Whoa. That is awesome. Isn't that like so 3D? So don't touch it. I touched it. It's blue. Okay. So that was the end of the experiment. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. And in case in case you know, we changed it to C.J.R. Trainer. So that's what we're going to name it. Okay. Bye guys. Bye.